Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. As you can tell, the scene is still the same, but I have a surprise for all y'all. We have an HKS exhaust. Full exhaust, anodized, everything looks amazing, beautiful. And the reason why we're changing out the exhaust is because this fucking piece of shit right here has to be the riciest shit ever. I mean, just look at it. Oh, what the fuck bro. Julio, we got a fucking eBay exhaust in our hands. Guys, this is how fucking ricey this fucking exhaust is. What the fuck, yo? Alright, we're gonna take this fucking fart cannon off and we're gonna replace it with this badass HKS exhaust. I'm honestly so fucking excited to put this shit on. Guys, we're trying to knock out multiple videos in the same fucking day because we got a lot of shit going on. But we're just finishing up the transmission and the rear main seal in this car. So now we're gonna move on to the exhaust. So hopefully y'all enjoy this video and we'll just take this motherfucker off and put this new one on. Guys, we had already unbolted the exhaust from the front side, so that's why we don't have what's it called? That's why we don't have to take off the header part of the exhaust, the downpipe. What is this? This is a Yonaka Motorsports exhaust. Is that any good? Sound like fucking shit. You like that in your exhaust though? Ooh, boy, what you know about that, good? Yeah, it's for EJ6, and this is the EJ6. Guys, so the reason why we're using this gasket maker, copper gasket maker, is because what's it called? Fuck. The exhaust fucking, oh my god, help me out here. The exhaust gasket, thank you, bro. The exhaust gasket that I had before was complete fucking shit. And just for everybody's knowledge here, the HKS exhaust is supposed to be ran. Dude, I just fucked my fucking ass up. My bad. Oh god. Okay. The HKS exhaust is supposed to be ran under the control arms. Reason being is because a lot of people are having issues with older exhausts running through here. So now they made it, well, HKS made it to where it ran under the control arm. There was that little small confusion, but there goes the old ass, nasty ass Yonaka. Apparently it's a Yonaka exhaust. Sounds like fucking shit. But we're gonna finish up this gasket, put it back onto the header, and we're gonna start installing the mid pipes. Alright, come back over here. Okay.
See that?
What?
You have to loosen it up. That's
what
I was talking about.
Oh, that right there?
Yep. That's why you don't tighten shit down all the way. You have to loosen those up.
Okay.
Don't loosen them off. No loosen them.
Okay, now it's spinning. What are you moving, the exhaust hanger?
You have to
Angle it right.
Alright, now you can try to Try to tighten them down.
Okay. Put this away.
Make sure you snug them up on both sides before you start going down, man.
Okay.
Because then it might leak because it's tight on one side and loose on the other.
Man, what the fuck is the other one, bro?
You got both 14s.
Got it.
That's what I'm saying.
Boys, bros, everything in between. It is currently 3:32 in the morning. I want to give a huge thanks to my brother-in-law for helping me accomplish this project, the exhaust project, and the main rear main seal, whatever the fuck it's called. I'm so tired right now. And the new clutch, new flywheel, everything would not have been possible without him. So huge thanks to my brother-in-law. And I am so satisfied with the exhaust. Like, you have no idea how annoying that exhaust was to ride it every single day. It was so bad and annoying. It was just, I literally had to drive with my headphones in. And then the oil leak. It's so embarrassing going somewhere and then having a puddle of oil at the bottom, like, of your car. It's like, to me, that's I'm sorry, I don't mean to offend anybody, but to me that's embarrassing because I take care of my stuff. I am proud of what I have. So for me, that's like a big, like, hey, you don't take care of your shit, like, what the fuck, you know? Especially being, it's just something in me that says take care of your stuff, and I'm gonna do whatever I can to make sure that I take care of my stuff. Boys and girls, I really do hope that you enjoyed today's video. It's a 2-in-1 basically, 2 videos out in the same day, but I was trying to knock all this stuff out before my parents left out of town, because I just didn't want to be moving all these cars around, and just I just didn't want to deal with the hassle. So I know my brother-in-law had the time to help me out this Friday, and I'm just so happy that I was able to get all this stuff done. And the clutch feels amazing. This competition 2 stage 2 clutch feels absolutely amazing. It's really stiff. It really caught me by surprise because this thing bites like a motherfucker. I literally let go of the clutch and I was all like, what? Like, it literally yanked me back so hard. But ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. Click that like button, hit that subscribe button, whatever the heck you want to do. And the motto for the rest of this year and for next year is gonna be get better or worse is your choice. Alright, so at the end of each video I'm gonna end it like that, and just enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much for clicking on the video, and you have a good one.